Welcome to Club Lies and Alibis. You might find a few here for tonight's masterclass on the art of seduction. We know you were expecting to see Starlight Starbright tonight. Unfortunately, she could not make it on account of a nasty tattoo infection on her lower back. She'll be okay. We'll be taking her place. My name is Cough Drop. Named after my signature move. Quick bio on me, 40 years in the industry. Yeah, that's right, a lot of people don't know that. I also drive semi-trucks on the side. Right? A 2-for-1, if you will. I've danced on a lot of poles, I've driven a lot of trucks. And one thing I have realized is, you want to keep them coming back. You gotta move fast in a tight space. All of the moves tonight are choreographed specifically to take place in the bed of a truck. You want to move things outside the truck, that's on you. All right, now I need a volunteer. Oh, a lot of hands. What we got out there? I need a man. You with that hat on. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. I know your wife. Come on down. Come on. Yeah. There we go. Come on. All right, what a man. All right, what's your name, sir? Sam. Oh my God, Sam. All right, Sam. And where are you from, Sam? Detroit, what? All right, Slim Shady. All right. And what you do for a living, Sam?
I'm a student.
Have a seat. I can't do nothing with that, Sam. Come on now. All right, I'm gonna show you 3 simple moves to turn your man on. Move number 1, the body roll. All right, in slow motion, it's gonna look something like this. Oh yeah, real sexy, right? But you moving at 65 miles an hour. Anything can bump into you, your headboard, the cupboard. So you gonna do it like this. You hard yet, Sam? No? Okay. All right. Well, move number 2. Entice with your thighs. Help me down, Bessie. Help me down now. Get real close to your man. All right, real close, yes. Now, there will probably be a steering wheel in between the 2 of them. Don't be afraid of it. Use it. Yeah, look me in the eye, Sam. Look me in the eye. All right. And finally, move number 3. Make it your best move yet. My signature move. You're gonna cough, drop. Oh my God. I'm okay. Morning laxative just kicked in. Class dismissed. Sam, take a seat. I'll see you after the show.